Welcome back to my channel, guys. We are going to just jump right into the next video in my Christmas series, this adorable little Rudolph. Here you can see I have loaded my 3/4 flat brush with a brown gradient split cake, and coming in with a finger dauber, I am filling in the eye areas. Here I am using a wax-based face paint for this, but you can skip this step altogether if your model is uncomfortable with having paint around their eyes, but you can also do this with star blends. Next, I'm going to create the shape of the muzzle on his nose and also the sides of the reindeer mouth. I like using a finger dauber on little kids because it just helps get in all those tiny little spaces on their cute little faces. Picking back up my 3/4 flat brush with the same brown on it, I'm going to create the bridge of the nose and the reindeer ears. I'm picking up a damp shader brush and I'm just going to blend that light brown color all the way up to the bridge of his nose. Now, using a small filbert brush, I'm just going to create the shape of his antlers, and also I'm going to fill in the tip of his nose in red. Next up, I'm going to grab my round number 4 brush loaded in black, and all I'm doing is small little flicks to make it look like he's nice and fuzzy all around his face. Don't forget to do this step around the reindeer muzzle as well. As you can see, I have drawn in the reindeer mouth right underneath the child's nose. I do not like to paint on the child's lips very often. This last step is probably my favorite. I'm just coming in with a round number 4 brush and adding highlights and those cute little reindeer spots. And that is it, everyone. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.